All right. Thank you so much for signing up to do concessions. We could not do this without your help, so it's greatly appreciated. First off, every concession, the indoor and the outdoor, has a book. Inside are guides on every single thing on how to do, who to contact if you have problems, exactly what to set up, all of the instructions for your openers, your middle shifts, and your closers. All right, for a quick tour around how to set things up, in this bin will be overflow drinks if they don't fit into the refrigerator. This bin will be your candy, which we set up on the wood display case over here. This bin will be all of your cheese supplies. This bin will be your napkins and any paper supplies that you want to store under here. This bin will be your pretzel salt and some other storage things, the popcorn, and then up here is where you have your station for your pretzels and your nachos. So you can put your nacho bag over here. You can have some pretzels in the microwave ready to go. Have your salt and your cinnamon sugar on top with your boats. And you can have some foil up here and your gloves. And then over here you can have your hot dog warmer with your foil out and ready to go with your buns. Any water and popcorn supplies over here. Cleaning supplies are all under here for when you close. More paper products are up here in this, including popcorn bags and extra supplies. Drinks we just keep obviously in the refrigerator, and then the freezer's over here for pretzels and popsicles. Again, if you have any questions, you can call anybody in the book, and thank you again for doing this. Okay, so now we're going to do a pretzel. Pretzels are in the freezer. We're going to microwave them for 1 minute inside of a bowl. So when the pretzel is done, this customer wanted salt. You can also do cheese. So we're going to spray the pretzel. You can do cinnamon or salt. Put the pretzel in the salt. And then the cheese cups are on the top. And that is pretzels and cheese. Okay, all of the popcorn is stored under here. To make the popcorn, we do a cup of kernels. 1 teaspoon of seasoning. We're going to pour that on the popcorn. And 1/3 cup of oil. We're going to turn on the kettle motor and the kettle heat. And all 4 of these buttons when we come in, let it heat up for 4 minutes. After it's warmed up for 4 minutes, we will pour the popcorn and the oil into the pot. Be sure, you can see right now the rotators are not connected. You're just going to jiggle it a little bit so the rotators are connected and spinning the popcorn. Put it out so it doesn't burn. Alright, and then you want to turn off your kettle and turn off your kettle heat if you're done popping and leave the warmer on. You can place the popcorn in these white bags. Fill it to the top. And you can leave the bags inside of the popcorn. Okay, this is the hot dog warmer. All you're going to do is take the top off of the hot dog warmer. You're going to pour drinkable water into the bottom of the hot dog warmer, just enough to fill it up. We're going to place the 2/3 back on top, turn it to high, And then we're gonna place our hot dogs in the tray. 15 to 20 minutes for the hot dogs to warm up. Once that's done, you're gonna take the hot dog out, put it in a bun, and then you're gonna roll it in some foil and place it in the warmer. Okay, and finally, to set up the cheese, it's gonna come in a container like this down in the storage bin. You're going to pull off this little plastic piece right here. You're gonna take the straw out of the plastic, and there's a little spiky part. You're gonna take that spiky part and you're gonna put it right into the cheese and twist on. To place the cheese in here, we're just going to put it up in the warmer. Once your warmer's on, it's pretty hot, so we're just gonna put it through like that. This is our little cheese clamper. We're just gonna feed it through here and then close the cheese clamper. And then your cheese is ready to go. You want the cold cheese to sit in the warmer for about 45 minutes before you serve your cheese. And to turn on the cheese machine, it's just in the back on the lower left. Okay, then to fill your cheese, the cups are on the top here, and you're just gonna press your cheese container under there, press and hold, and that's your cheese. Okay, and then finally to close, we're just gonna put everything back in their bins where you got them, including all paper products, any popcorn, any food that's left in the warmer you can either take home or throw away. We're going to empty the water out of the hot dog maker. We're going to empty the popcorn out of the popcorn machine and wipe everything down. And then you can sweep. And then the money, dirty dishes can just be left on the counter. And then someone from the PTO will come and pick those up. And again, thank you so much for donating your time. And we could not do this without you. Thank you.